In the previous video, we talked about what is SNS. If anyone is missed it out, please go and watch it. Link is in the description. In this video, let's understand SNS by hands-on demo. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Tech. This channel is my small step towards achieving something big, to share the useful tech knowledge with clarity and simplicity. If you find value here, a like or subscribe really motivates me to keep going. Let's get into today's topic. We are at AWS console. Let's switch to simple notification service or SNS. I will open it in a separate tab. So this will navigate to SNS, and here we have to create SNS topic. Let me create our first SNS topic. I will give name as my first topic. Click on next step. While creating SNS topic, we get two types. One is standard and one more is FIFO. Standard is default and most commonly used. When message order does not matter and when you need high throughput, then standard will be the right choice. And we have FIFO. FIFO means, as we know, it is first in, first out. When message order is critical or processing must be sequential, then we go for FIFO. And we can see one more difference here. With FIFO, the subscriptions of protocol is only SQS, while in standard, the subscription protocol is SQS, Lambda, Data Fair Host. There are many. The subscriber means service that is going to consume message published to an SNS topic. Scrolling further down, here we have name which is already given and display name is optional. Now encryptions we can keep it as optional, and we have access policy. So there is a basic access policy got selected. This access policy means this defines who can access our topic, and we will let this basic policy as it is, and scroll down. Oh, well, then we are done with the most of our SNS topic creations. Then let's click on create topic. Our first topic got created. Next step is to create subscriptions to our newly created SNS topic. Let's click on this my first topic. Here we have create subscription option. Let me click on this create subscription. As I mentioned earlier, subscriber means service that is going to consume message published to an SNS topic. Now we have an option to choose our subscription or subscriber. Let me choose it as email, which means now any messages received by this topic will be consumed by the email. And we have to provide some valid endpoint, which means since I have selected it as email, I have to give a valid email address. Let me give it as my own email address here. And now subscription filter policy. Subscription policy in SNS is exactly used to avoid unnecessary message and deliver only relevant message to a subscriber. In simple, subscription policy is set of rules attached to SNS. If message does not match, SNS drops it and don't send it to a subscriber. Here we can see some sample set of rules. If it really matches the condition, then it sends it into a subscriber, or else it just drops it or ignores it. So for that reason, we use subscription filter policy. Again, redrive policy is optional here, so we don't create any redrive policy. Just click on create subscription. This will create a subscription for our SNS topic, and it will be we need to wait for some time since it is status is pending confirmation. Let me refresh it. Since I given my email address, I received some confirmation mail from AWS. I need to confirm subscriptions. Let me do that. And now subscription is confirmed. Let me navigate back to AWS console. So after confirmation, I'm refreshing my page. Yeah, now status is showing as confirmed. Now click on this topics in the left hand side. This will navigate us back to our topic, and this is our my first topic. Now the next step is we have to publish message. So click on this publish message, and here subject is optional. Let's give my test subject, and message group ID, the time to leave, this all are optional, don't do anything. And provide a message body. I just say hello from SNS, and just click on publish message. So now I received email from SNS. It says hello from SNS. So why I received this mail? Because this subscriber will be email, and I provided my own email address. So if that SNS topic receive any messages from any publisher, then the consumer will be email as we configured earlier. So each time if it receives any data or any events, then I will get new mails all the time.
In SNS, a publisher like Lambda, EC2, or EventBridge sends events to an SNS topic, and subscribers like email, Lambda, or SQS receive those events.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.